Hey there guys, today we're going to be building this tree hugger. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. This is a little bit of a different variation to what's on the Playground Ideas design, so it really depends on what sort of tree you've got available to you and what's going to work best in your site. Because we have this really big tree here, but it's up against the wall, so we're just creating this section around here, opening it up to this kindergarten. For this one we've actually used some different size ties as well. We've got truck ties down the bottom and then car ties on top. Again, it's all about working with what's available to you. So when you're making this tree hugger, you'll notice that every tree is going to be different. There's no hard and fast rules about these sort of things. So with this tree we've got here, the root system is going at quite an angle. So we're going to have this base tire a little bit further out of the ground, bolting it onto the tree root, and then also onto the tree itself. And we're getting these smaller, slightly smaller tires, bolting it through here, and again into the tree. Depends on what you're working with at the time. So with all of these designs, you can download the free instruction manuals that will just show you how to go about building these pieces step by step. Really simple. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.